So you might have just updated to iOS 26, and you might be trying to figure out how to use the new camera application. Luckily for you, it's not anything super difficult. This is what the new camera application looks like right here. If you go and tap on it, this is basically where you're going to end up. So at the bottom, you're going to have your standard bar, but now it looks a little bit different. If you want to, you can swipe in between to basically choose from photo to video. You can still go through and choose photo or choose video just like this. Now you can also swing across now. So if you want to quickly swing across from the bottom, you now have that type of capability too, which is really cool. Now at the top, you'll see a couple different icons. You'll see this flash icon right here to turn flash on or off or automatic. And you will see those line icon right here, which will bring you into your main, your toggles. Now if you tap up here, you'll get into your main toggles. You can also tap back onto your photo icon down here to also get into your main toggles. These are essentially the same things that we basically had before. So you can tap into here, and then you can turn on your flash, live photo, timer, exposure, styles, filter, and aspect. Those are the same things we basically had on our previous version of iOS, but we just now have it in this type of box. The same thing goes for video. If you're in video and you tap here, it'll bring you right into the actions that you had before. In the top left of video, you can change it from HD to 30 frames per second to 60 frames, and you can change it whichever other way you want to as well by tapping up there. And I do like this layout. I think it looks a lot nicer. And the same thing goes for there. Now the rest of the application is essentially the same thing, but those are basically the new things. You can still take a photo by tapping into here. You can still zoom in and zoom out. I feel like it's a little bit cleaner. And you still have this portion right here, which allows you to zoom in and zoom out. You have your ability of going back to your previous photos by clicking down there. And that's essentially all you have to do. It really is that basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.